So when I bought this car originally, I just did a little section over here to see what the difference would be. Look, very, very oxidized from sitting out there for years. And there you have it. So I'm going to have to compound this car, of course. That's what I'm going to start on now. And it's a little cold, but I got to do what I got to do. All right, coming along. Looking good. I did this strip. You could clearly see there how screwed up it looks. Look at this. Big time. Yep. So we're already working nice. Should do pretty decent with this vehicle, bringing it back to life. All right, so I'm starting the polish now. Of course, using 3M. Let me get my setup going here. I switched the pads, of course. Yeah, I just need to get rid of it. There's barely any left. Wow, this was $42. You know how old this thing is? This probably thing is like $82 now. Thank you, Joey B. But yeah, I'm already seeing the depth. Let me try to do this with one hand. Yeah, I know. But one-handed, what do you want, you know? Pretty difficult to do. Yeah, I got a ton of cameras. I could easily do it, but I do hate using my phone to do stuff. All right, let's just see. I'll probably just go over that if it's not good. Hold on. So right now, of course, compounded the vehicle. Now I'm just throwing on some glaze. I had some other stuff here, but not the glaze, I'm sorry, the polish. This is the glaze. This is old school stuff too. Supposed to take out the swirls. Gotta love black. But you're not supposed to put on glaze when you do a ceramic coating on top of it, so that's why I'm using the polish. Now let's just take a look here. There is a difference. See the difference in the depth? I love that. Black is the best. But only in certain conditions, unfortunately. Very hard to maintain. Haven't had a black car in a long time. And it's a lot to keep up, but I'll tell you, at dusk, oh my God, what a great thing. See the difference there? Big time. All right, looking better already. Really tell the difference. I've done up here. Now I'm making my way down. A lot of scratches here. Definitely. So bringing it out of the garage now. Yeah, I can see, I saw that inside a little bit of white around the, I guess the 3M. This in here, I have to really get out. This is crud from sitting for a long time. Take a toothbrush in here in these cracks to get it out, because you see that on a lot of cars that have sat for a long time. Like stuff will just, especially this car. This car's got like too many edges. It really does. Yeah, all in there. Not bad. But I missed a spot there, taking it off. Here, yeah, see, I can't see inside there too well. All right, I'm going to rub that off. Then I'm going to wash the whole car down. And then what I'm going to do, what the hell is this? Oh. Yeah, look at that front too. Really a lot of white in there. definitely. Yeah, I gotta wipe this down good. And then just go over it again. Just get all the residue off.